let me get into it here. So again, amazing website. Richard's tweeted about this website at least once, probably more times, because they have all kinds of great apps, and of course it's the place for to see prices, and hopefully the place to see prices go up at some point. But super simple. You go to Mint. So go pulse.com Mint. That is the Mint app. And you literally mint a new token. Name. I don't know what's the name. Let's just call it. Let's just call it Stream Coin with the ticker SDRM. Sounds like Storm. It's a good one here. I mean, a lot of numbers come to mind, but I'm thinking, I mean, we could literally just do like, let's do 369. So after connect to wallet here, you connect MetaMask. I'm going to connect the account. And then once you connect the account, you just do Mint, or what I'm doing is Mint. And then you confirm the transaction. I don't know if you can see MetaMask at that point, but confirm the transaction. And it's literally creating coin called Mint with the ticker, or sorry, creating coin called Stream Coin with the ticker STRM and supply of 369. And it is literally, doing stuff on the back end, I imagine, going to create it. If I click open this window, on PulseChain, it'll tell me success. It created Stream Coin. It has 369 as the amount. It's if you go back here, if you want to add STRM to MetaMask, you add it to MetaMask. Now you can see it in there. And if you want to add liquidity, for example, I mean, you look at the different stuff here, share it on Twitter, whatever. If you go add liquidity, you literally just like, let's see, 369. So if you're adding liquidity, if I just wanted to like put it all up for liquidity, again, this is all testing. This is just an experiment, all for testing, just to show you how this stuff works. And you set the ratio because you're the first one. So I'm just going to do it 1-to-1. So, I can't really quite do it 1-to-1. Let's see. I'll just, you can do anything here. This is just for testing, but I'll just say 369 to make it really, really cheap. So you can see the ratio set there. So 1,001 stream coin per PLS. And in the same ratio here, you enable STRM coin. And this is not gas efficient at all. Literally putting up like, 2 cents, 3 cents liquidity, whatever it is. And you have 100% share of the pool. So enabling that, wait for transactions to go through. And then supply the tokens, create the pool. So I'm clicking, you can't see MetaMask, but I'm clicking it back and forth, just approving transactions. And once it's finished, then we can take, so we take the, let's see, that's transaction hash. I meant to get the token itself. So it's not right there. Let's see, explore. Yeah, okay. So this is the token itself. So I'm just going to copy this. And now if we go to liquidity, we don't see it right here yet, but you'll see if we just type in like, I'll just import the token, and then let's do create pool. It should find it now. Sometimes it has a delay there. So you can see, yeah, you can see there's already an amount change. There's already something trading it. So if we go to Dex Screener PulseChain, we can see it looks like bots, maybe our bots or otherwise, are already trading it literally just seconds after it's created, or a minute or so. So if we just type in the token here, price change 11,000. That's why when you see these crazy price changes, it's just these, it's like liquidity, $2 worth. A bunch of these trades, again, just bots and just stuff, just trying to like make a little bit. They see a new pool got created and they're like, oh, let's go try to make money off of it or whatever. So anyways, super simple. Like it could not be simpler than this, right? Like, again, be careful. Don't act like you're a genius, going to go make all this money creating your own coin, all that. Many people have created their own coins. It's totally fine. They have their own brand. They want to do whatever they want with it. But I just want to walk through how this stuff works, how easy it is, how, again, shout out to GoPulse for minting just a simple send receive token, how easy it is to do it. And just give you an idea of what, when founders and people who create coins, when they do it, how, like the different parameters they set, the different stuff they may be thinking, or how easy it is to put liquidity and all this stuff with it. So I thought it was interesting enough to cover. So I hope you better understand this. Yeah, it's just so funny. Automatically already some trades and stuff going on. You can see the ratio has changed. If I click this too, you can see, yeah, strong pulse, pulled PLS. I mean, just interesting stuff. They already took a bunch of this out, put some of this in. Wow. Streamcoin, super simple test, nothing more than that, just to give you an experiment and show you how this stuff works. So